So I'm going to solve the question word break. So the definition of the question is as follows. For example, we are given an input take you forward and the dictionary is given a take forward you. So if the word can be broken into take you forward like that through the words already present, we return true, otherwise false. So as you can see apple and pineapple, we can't segment it, so we are returning false. So we could approach this question in the following way. Uh, we could go over the string and decide whether to take this element or not. And the choice is simple. We only keep on recursing it if the word is present. Only then only. Otherwise, we could simply return false and exit the possibility of that occurring. So, firstly, for quick access, instead of searching again and again the word, it can simply make a set or log and access set string st word date dot begin word date dot end. Then I'm going to define a function for bool value. Let's name it something like break. It takes in argument as set set string. Oh, wait a second. Why not define it as an unordered set? It will be faster. Unordered set. Unordered set. Um, string. Let's name it and st. Then we have a string input. So string s and the current index. And index. Things that looks good. So if we reach the last index, if we empty the string, that it means we have successfully. So I can define a base case as if s dot size is equals to 0, simply return true. Another base case as if index is greater than s dot size, then we simply can't find it, so we return a false. So there could be two cases, take or not take. So let me define the take case first. If the current substring exists, st dot find s dot sub str of beginning from the zeroth index to the index um, st dot find uh, not equal to st dot end. Then we could do break of st comma the s dot substring, the new substring starting from index till s dot size minus the value of index comma 0, because the new substring again starts from 0. So we could do this. If this returns a true, we can simply return true, or else we could take the not take case where simply we could do break st, the same string s, and index plus 1 to go index above without taking the current. I think if this is true, return true. If none of the above is true, we could simply go on and turn the quotes. That's, this looks good. So finally we could return break of st, comma, the string s and index starting from 0. So st size is equals to 0, index greater than. We define a take this, we define a not take this. Hmm. Think this looks good. Let's go and run it. Hmm. Yeah, so it's accepted, so it's running fine. Uh, Time complexity of this will be a lot because it's a recursive solution, and the stack space will also be a lot because of the recursion stack space. Uh, to guess each access from the set will contribute log n wherever it checks it, and these checks will be also be like similarly the substring forming uh, and taking. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.